It wasn't just a beautiful day outside in Richmond today, it was also great inside Fairfield Court Elementary School, where GeNienne Samuels and Bill Fitzgerald got to spend time with some of our favorite readers. Thanks to our parent company, the Scripps Howard Fund, Renewal by Andersen, and viewers like you, we've been able to donate 11 books to every child at Fairfield Court through our Give a Child a Book campaign. We were there as students got to pick out 5 of them today. Eager 5th graders came to the library to browse the dozens of titles from all genres and for all reading levels. Bill and GeNienne had the chance to chat about why they liked certain books as the kids struggled to narrow down those choices. GeNienne even shared some of their favorites with the students. School leaders say reading scores at this school have been improving since Fairfield began receiving the free books last year.
Being here and watching all of the children and being able to take part in something that affects our communities is just what it is to be not only a Renewal by Andersen teammate, but part of our local community.
Because it takes me to another world, where you can imagine things. Like a dog man, you can imagine you're in the city helping them out and stuff. Yeah.
You might know some words, but you might not know all the words. So you have to know all the words to help you, because you want to have to know how to read. If any job, you want to have to know how to read.
I'll just say thank you for donating the money, and it helped us out a lot.
Right, Stitch. Boy, it does. Bill and GeNienne will distribute the fruits of our Give a Child a Book campaign at the end of the month at J.B. Fisher Elementary School, where thanks to your generosity, the students will each get 10 free books.